Room tour. I'm staying at the New York, New York. I upgraded. This was actually a comp room, and I upgraded to the spa suite. And when I got here, they upgraded me to the player suite. So this is what they gave me. Here's the bathroom. It's got a shower and a tub. Walk out the bathroom. See my luggage sitting over there. Got a jacuzzi tub. Somewhere to sit by the jacuzzi. Got a desk and a chair, a lamp. I want to say this is a refrigerator. Yep, got a mini fridge. Got 2 double beds, which is fine with me. It's nice decoration on the wall. Got your TV, one over here. Got your dining table. Somewhere to sit over there. Then you got another big TV over here. And I'm gonna stand back here and do like a view from this side. It's just sitting area. Dining table. Yes. And y'all, I forgot to show y'all my view. That's the roller coaster. And that's the pool down there. And I don't have no strip view, but this is fine with me.